prove that tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 75 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. So we have to prove trigonometric ratio of tan 15 degrees and trigonometric ratio of cot 75 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay. First of all, let us prove tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. Okay. Later we can prove tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 75 degrees. Okay. If tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 75 degrees, automatically tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 75 degrees equal to 2 minus root 3. So first of all, let us prove why tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. ఎందుకు equal 2 minus root 3. Okay. So here first of all, what is the angle here? Theta is equal to 15 degrees. Here theta is equal to 15 degrees. Angle theta equal to 15 degrees. So we can write 15 degrees. We can write 15 degrees as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, how much? Again 15 degrees. Of course, we have many ways we can write 15 degrees. See, for example, we can also write it as 115 degrees or 105 degrees minus 90 degrees. We can write 15 degrees as 105 degrees minus 90 degrees. Okay, but we do not know the trigonometric ratio of sine 105 degrees, cos 105 degrees and tan 105 degrees. Am I right? So we don't know the trigonometric ratios of 105 degrees. That's why we do not consider this expression. So we consider 45 degrees minus 30 degrees because we all know trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees and so on. Okay, that's why I'm going to consider 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Now apply, anyhow we need tan 15. Apply tan on both sides. Apply tan on both sides. Tangent on both sides. Okay. So మనకి 105 degrees angles తెలియవు మనకి sin 105 cos 105 దానికోసం మనకి తెలిసిన angles తీసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ. Now apply compound angles formula. So using compound angles formula we can derive tan 15, cot 15, okay, sin 15 and cos 15. Apply tan on both sides. Now tan 15 degrees is equals to tan 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Now tan 15 degrees is equal to, so this is like tan A minus B. Say in compound angles, what is the formula for tan A minus B? Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, 1 plus tan A tan B. This is compound angles formula. Tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Using this formula, we can write tan 45 degrees minus 30 degrees as tan A minus B. Here A is equal to 45 degrees, B is equal to 30 degrees. Apply this formula. Tan A minus B, tan A, tan 45 degrees minus tan B, B is equal to 30, so tan 30 degrees whole divided by 1 plus tan A tan B, tan 45 degrees into tan B, tan 30 degrees. We know that trigonometric ratio of tan 45 degrees 1. Trigonometric ratio of tan 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees is equal to how much? 1 by root 3. Okay, na? Substitute these values here. Now tan 15 degrees is equal to tan 45 1 minus tan 30 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus tan 45 1 into tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. Now tan 15 degrees is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 into 1 1 by root 3. 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. So tan 15 degrees is equal to, so here we can write 1 by 1, here also we can write 1 by 1. In place of 1 we can write 1 by 1 because 1 by 1 equal to 1. Now simplify numerator fractions and denominator fractions separately. To get, see, subtraction of two fractions is also a fraction. Okay, so to get denominator, take product of denominators. 1 into root 3, and crosswise multiplication. 1 into root 3, minus 1 into 1, 1. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 root 3. Now simplify numerator denominator fractions. To get denominator, 1 into root 3, 1 into root 3. To get numerator, crosswise multiplication. 1 into root 3, plus 1 into 1, 1. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Denominator get cancelled because root 3. Common denominators get cancelled. At last you will get root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. But this is not my answer. My answer is 2 minus root 3. Okay? To get this answer, rationalize denominator. So here denominator we have irrational number. Root 3 is irrational. 1 is rational. Sum of irrational and rational is always irrational. Okay? No? Sum of rational irrational is always irrational. Okay? Then to rationalize denominator, we need rationalizing factor. What is the rationalizing factor for root 3 plus 1? Rationalizing factor for root 3 plus 1 is root 3 minus 1. Now multiply numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor, root 3 minus 1. Okay? Then we will get this answer. So tan 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So multiply numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So here we are going to rationalize the denominator. Then we can get this answer. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 whole square by a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay, so root 3 minus 1 whole square by square root get cancelled. 3 minus 1 square 1. Now look at numerator, a minus b whole square. This is like a minus b whole square. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 1. Formula a square minus 2ab plus b square 1 square. 3 minus 1 2. Square root get cancelled. You will get 3 minus 2 into root 3 2 root 3 plus 1 square 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 4. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. In numerator, is there any common factor other than 1? Yes, there is a common factor. So here 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Take out 2 common. Here 2 is common factor. Take out 2 common. So if you take 2 as a common factor and remaining value is 2 minus here root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Therefore, tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. Tan 15 degrees is equals to 2 minus root 3. Next, we have to prove tan 15 degrees equal to cot 75 degrees. Then tan 15 degrees equal to cot 75 degrees is equal to what? 2 minus root 3. So let us prove tan 15 degrees equal to cot 75 degrees. So in trigonometry, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, 90 degrees minus theta. Okay, or cot 90 degrees minus theta is equal to what? Tan theta. Now replace theta by 15 degrees. Then tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Now tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 90 minus 15 degrees, cot 75 degrees. Already tan 15 degrees is equal to how much? 2 minus root 3. Therefore, tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 75 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. 2 minus 2. Hence proved.